Could a single man truly reshape the destiny of a nation left in ruins? This is the intriguing conundrum we delve into as we explore the leadership style of Paul Kagame, the president of Rwanda since 2000. Kagame's journey as a leader began with a characteristic that distinguishes all great leaders: visionary leadership. After the devastation of the genocide, Kagame emerged with an ambitious vision for Rwanda's future. His leadership propelled the nation towards significant economic growth, vast improvements in healthcare, education, and infrastructure. His vision wasn't just a mirage in the desert, it was a blueprint for a new Rwanda. As time passed, Kagame exhibited another dimension of his leadership style: strategic thinking. A pragmatist at heart, Kagame has demonstrated a remarkable ability to plan and execute policies that advance Rwanda's interests, both at home and on the global stage. His decisions, often tough and unpopular, reveal a leader who prioritizes the long-term benefits for his country over immediate gratification. However, like many leaders in history, Kagame's leadership style has been marked by controversy. Critics have raised concerns about his authoritarian tendencies, accusing his government of suppressing political opposition, curtailing freedom of speech and the press, and committing human rights abuses. This darker side of his leadership has cast a shadow over his achievements, stirring heated debates among political analysts. Yet, it's impossible to discuss Kagame without acknowledging his charisma. Kagame's magnetic personality has endeared him to many Rwandans and international supporters. His strong, decisive nature commands respect, inspiring loyalty among his followers. The intensity and focus that Kagame brings to his leadership role are unparalleled. Known for his high levels of discipline, he demands the same from those around him. His expectation for high performance and accountability speaks volumes about his dedication to his goals. Kagame's leadership is a complex tapestry woven with threads of vision, strategy, authority, charisma, and intensity. Revered by many as a hero for his role in ending the genocide and rebuilding Rwanda, he remains a significant figure in Rwandan and African politics. In summary, Paul Kagame's leadership style mirrors his personality: complex, ambitious, strategic, and intense. While his authoritarian tendencies have drawn criticism, his charismatic and visionary leadership has undeniably transformed Rwanda. Kagame's story serves as a compelling case study of leadership in its many shades,